Welcome to Accountant Basic Skill channel. Today I'm taking lecture of practice section in Tally software. Before beginning the lecture, I want to just give the guidance that you should listen previous YouTube videos, that is accounting concept. Okay, it's the most important. It includes master setup of Tally also. If you carefully listen all previous YouTube videos, it will help you to understand any accounting software of the world. Okay, so just my personal request is please listen previous YouTube videos. It will benefit you. Okay, and to get the multiple knowledge, it will help you to understand the concept of the any accounting software including SAP also. So the three most important setup of any accounting software is master setup, transaction setup, and report setup. Okay, so let's beginning the lecture. Today I will take the questionnaires in master setup or from each menu. First we'll see, when you open Tally software, six option is available, that is select company, login as remote user, create company, backup, restore and quit. Login as a remote user, when you purchase a license software you will get the login ID and password. Create company, we'll see the example in Tally. Backup and restore, we'll see the example in Tally software. uh, when you want to alter any information of your existing company, that time this menu will be open. That is, first is select company, this is a connect company, you can connect to any location. Shut company, create company, and this is a new concept, create group company. In create group company, whenever you want to know the overall profit of your group, for example in your office, holding company is also there and three subsidiaries. In create group company option, you can combine the data of all four companies, that is holding company and three subsidiary companies. Okay, alter means you can alter any uh, uh, data in the master set of a create screen, that is create new company. You can update, for example, updation of address, email ID, fax number. Okay, security control, this is the most important, and change Tally vault. These two options should be done with the help of IT only. And third one, split company data. Okay, backup, restore, we'll see. We will understand all Tally software questionnaires. Okay, and we'll do practice in Tally software also. First one is select company. Okay, first one is select company. How to open multiple companies from select company options. Okay, select company, this ABC and company. You have to insert the login, name of the user and password. Okay, press F1, and if any additional company below the ABC and company, that company also you can open. Okay, we'll see by way of creating a new company. We'll create a new company, then only you will understand. Create company. This is a create company. How to we'll text question number second, then we'll move question number one. How to update administrator in create new company with below data. Name of the company is MNC company. Friends, if you want to copy any data, just press Ctrl C, and here Ctrl Alt V. The data will reflect in Tally software screen. Update the address. It is Kamla Mill, Lower Parel, Mumbai. Ctrl Alt V. Mumbai. Country is important. You have to select the states, pin code, mobile number. You have to update email and website also. And financial beginning from is 1st April 2020. And here here what is it, that books beginning from 1st June 2020. That is 1st June 2020. And security, for security control, administrator name is admin and password is tally@123. So I have already informed that don't use tally vault password without understanding the basic. Okay, so my personal suggested, don't touch tally vault password. Okay, if you forget the password, your data will be also will lost, so better not to use tally vault password. Okay, use security control, yes. Name of the administrator is admin and password is tally@123. 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 Friends, just see here, if your password strength is good, then message will appear on your screen. If your password like this 1234566, just see here, a red mark is there, that password strength is not good. So better you should apply the strong password, that is T is uppercase, A double Ly is a small lowercase @123. Again you have to insert same password. Friends, here is the important information. Forgetting your password will render your data inaccessible. So my personal request is, please note down the password. Okay, use tally audit feature, yes, it is better for auditor. It's always use. Disallow opening in education mode, no. Okay, okay, companies open, just insert admin and your password. Okay, now just see here, two companies are open. Okay, two companies are open. It will benefit you, just press here ABC and company, here ABC and company, MNC and company, just see MNC and company, the both companies are open. Okay, now question number 1 is, how to open multiple companies from select company option, yes, two companies are open. Second, how to shut close single company. Suppose if you want to close ABC and company, press alt F3 and you can shut ABC and company. Okay, how to update address in company. If you want to update the address, alter lower parallel west, just press Ctrl A, your multiple steps will be saved. Okay, address it updated. Next one is, how to update security control in single company. I have already informed you the security control. 1 meter security question, how to update security control in single company. Below alter there is option is security control, just press here security control. Friends, there are three more important options are available. Um, this security control should be done with the help of IT department only. Okay, uh, here is a password policy, that activate password policy, it should be always yes. Okay, here is the questionnaires, whether minimum password length is 8, yes, you can keep it 8. Specify advanced parameter for password length, yes, you can keep it, means if you want to take alphabetical, numerical, special character. Okay, whether password should be expired within 90 days, it's better, and it should be notified the user, yes, 5 days, at least 5 days in advance it should be informed by a pop-up. Restrict to use old password, yes. In the case of net banking, you are not allowed to update any old password, that is not a previous password, previous to previous password. Okay, so it is not allowed to use same password. Change password on first login, yes, you can allow to user to change the password created by IT department. Okay, allow user to change password, yes, you can allow, just press enter. Okay, hope that you understand. I'm just again repeating. Activate password policy, yes. Strength A8, whether you want any advanced configurations, no. Password expiry is 90 days. Notify user before password, yes, it should be informed. Restrict old password, change the password on first login, yes, and allow user to change password. Okay. Now, how many users are available in Tally? One is data entry, second is owner, Tally.net auditor, and Tally.net user. Okay, these auditor these options available for auditor version. Then when you use Tally auditor version, and then is Tally.net user. Data entry and owner, it's applicable for company or any non-corporate companies. Okay, user has to select what is the user. IT department will allocate user rights according to their designations, means junior assistant, senior assistant, manager, senior manager. So data entry or honor, uh, two different type of rights. Okay, types of securities. Data entry, just press enter. Here, uh, when you want to give rights to your junior assistants, this below disallow option is there. Disallow means these rights are not allowed to use to junior assistants. Also, use basic, here you have to insert data entry. Okay, days allowed for backdated vouchers, 3 days. Cutoff date for backdated vouchers, you can give the cutoff date also. Before that he cannot modify any entry. That you have to decide, that either IT department will decide which date they should insert. Okay, you can give allow or a tax return, no. Allow company to connect, no. Use Tally.net author, no, you should not give. These are the options. It's disallowed, means not allowed in the rights of the junior assistants. Okay. Okay, then what you have to give? And here you can give create an alter, that is accounts voucher, create an alter day book, maximum 3 days. Okay, display uh, day book, display print day book if you want to take printout, and display and print vouchers. Okay, display any ledger voucher. Okay. Okay, just again I am inserting. I have given only 5 rights. IT department and senior person can decide the rights to the junior assistant. Okay, just press Control A, it will serve. This is your security control. Okay, I hope that you understand. Just give, just I want to give the background. Security control, it helps to use to allocate to rights to the user according to your designations. Okay, so it will always suggestible. uh, with the help of IT department, you can allocate the rights to user. Okay, next option is uh, okay, update security control. Yeah, you understand. Second, we have already created company. Now, how to activate Tally audit features in create company? Yes, we have already activated uh, Tally audit features. Where it is here? Here is a Tally audit features. Yes, we have already activated. Next question is how to update formal name from INR to rupees. Okay, formal name is INR. Just from the mouse, I have directly move on formal name and updated the rupees. Okay, just press Ctrl A. Data will be saved. Next question is how to show amount in millions. 1 million is 10 lakh. In India, million is not allowed. But if you are, this is the questions, we have to update it. So option is available in alter company. Show amount in millions. Just insert yes. Okay, and Control A. Data will be saved. Next question is how to create a group company. How to create a group company. You have to open If you want to create a group company, you have to also open other company also. So that here two company will be appear. Now just alt F3, that is company informations, create group company. Okay, just friends, when I have open only one company, that time this option is deactivated. When I open two companies, that time this option is activated. Okay, so if you want to create a group company, first of all you have to open all your companies. Okay, then only this option will be activated, and you can select whichever the company become the member of the group company. Create group company, just type group company, update the data, Maharashtra, members, select your two members, ABC and company and MNC. Okay, group company is created. Now you can close MNC company and ABC company. Just see here your group company is open. Okay, how to view trial balance in company wise. Okay, if you want to view trial balance in company wise, how to view trial balance company wise? Display trial balance, this is a trial balance. But if you want trial balance in company wise, just press new column, ABC and company, again press new column, MNC and company. Your trial balance appears on company wise. This is ABC and company and MNC company. Okay, how to view profit and loss company wise? Okay, here profit and loss. Okay, company wise, this is a company wise profit, detail, clear. Alter option we have already discussed. What is the import of alter option? You can update address, email ID, mobile number. Okay, security control we have already discussed. For this three types of options available: user, password, types of security, password policy. Split company data. Okay, split company data, very option is available. Alt F3, this is split company data. Friends, with the help of IT department, you can use these options. Split company data, whenever in any company having 10 years accounts data, whenever any company having 10 years accounting data, that time you can split any company data according to year wise. Means 9 years one data, 1 years second data. I will show you. Select company, okay. Now you want to do split company data. Select company, you have to select. Friends, Tally, whenever you use split company data, Tally will keep original file as it is, and Tally will create two separate file, that is 9 years one single file and 1 year's single accounts data file. Okay, I am repeating again. In split company data, Tally will create additional two companies and your original company will be kept. Okay, two separate company means up to 9 years. If 9 years account data you want to create a separate company, and for 1 year you want to keep a separate data, that time this option will be better. Because what happen, whenever any company having 10 years data, it will difficult for loading the company. Okay, it will takes more time. Okay, that's why split company data option is used. Okay, clear. Don't use option without help of IT department. Okay, next, how to take backup. Just press your backup. This is your source data, that is where is your original data file be saved. Your destination, and I'm selecting ABC and company, group company, and MNC company. Okay, my question is how to take backup of a single company. So single company backup I can take. And next question, how to take backup of multiple companies. So multiple companies is MNC and group company. Okay, multiple company backup you can take. Presenter, overhead backup. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, backup. Okay. Next option is friends. Just request backup and restore. Both two commands are very critical. So before taking backup, you have to take the help of IT department only. Sometimes uh, if you are forget any steps by mistakenly, your data may be lost. So four options. How many options? Five. Security control, change tally vault, split company data, backup and restore. You have to take you have to take help of IT department. Okay. Now restore. Restore means you have to restore your backup. Clear? Your destination file where you want to save the backup, and source is where your backup is kept. Okay, these are the company. You have to just select it and take the backup. Clear? You can take one company, you can take all company. Clear? Okay. Next is menu available. Accounts informations. In account informations, group, ledger, cost category, cost centers, budgets, scenario, currencies, voucher types, quit options are available. In groups, single group, display, alter, multiple groups, create, display, alter. Means same option is available in group and ledger. Only additional is credit limits. Okay. Credit limits I have already discussed in my previous lecture how to set the credit limit for sundry debtors and sundry creditors. Credit limits means maximum amount of transaction you want to do with particular debtors or creditor and days. Okay, now we'll see one by one. Okay, these are the menus and sub menus also. Cost category also, create display alter same, and cost centers. I have already informed you cost category and cost center in my previous lecture, how to book the accounting interest, and I have already shown you the entry also. Okay, we'll see again also. Now first question in group, how to create single group of computer. Okay, just you have to select your new company, MNC company, admin. What is the question? How to create single group of computer account information. First of all, I will deactivate inventory options. F11, maintain accounts only. Yes, I want to maintain accounts only. Okay, all inventory option will be deactivated. Account informations group, create computer in fixed asset. Friends, I have already informed you that you should clear your accounting concept. I will show you the live example. Now I can select any ledger, indirect expenses also. Okay, if your concept is clear, just see that tally is accepting. Means if your accounting concept is not clear, then it is very difficult for you to understand any accounting software. So software is created according to accounting concept, but software doesn't know what is capital expenditure, what is revenue expenditures. Okay, just modify it computer and give correct head, that is fixed assets. Okay, so my personal request is please listen all previous YouTube video. You will understand the types of expenditures. Friends, types of expenditure is not understanding to the any accounting software of the world. User has to decide whether it's a capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, or deferred revenue expenditure. Okay, I have shown you the live example also. You computer you can create in group of indirect expenses. You can create in the sales also. Okay, so better your accounting concept should be clear. Next question, how to alter single group. Yes, you can alter. I have already shown you. Just press enter, computer, you can modify it. Next question, how to create multiple group with below details. This is a multiple group. If you want to create, that is 3 group. First one is plant and machinery. Select, control C, create. Fixed assets, control alt V, plant and machinery B1D. Next one is plant and machinery WAPI, control C and control alt V, plant and machinery Goa, control alt V. Okay, create. Multiple group are created. Okay, how to create single ledger in group computer. How to create single ledger in group computer. This is ledger single group, that is computer medium resolution. You can select computer here, currency yes, uh, maintain bill by bill not apply, cost center no, GST no, this is goods. Okay, yes. Next question is how to alter single ledger. You can alter single ledger, computer, high resolution. Okay, how to create multiple ledger with below details. Okay, this is your group. This is plant and machinery WAPI is a group, and this is your ledger. Okay, and to create multiple ledgers, create, to select plant and machinery WAPI, plant and machinery WAPI. Okay, just have to copy here, ledger dry Phillips machine WAPI, control C, control alt V. Next one is cleaning Phillips machine WAPI, just select it, control C, control alt V. Okay, multiple ledgers are created. How to book accounting entries in Tally for purchase of above machineries. Okay, uh, if you want to book entry, you can use option type of vouchers, that is vouchers, create vouchers, journal for fixed assets. Friends, if you select separate journal, it will help you to know the separate series, and it will benefit you during the audit also, statutory audit and tax audit. Journal, voucher number automatic, use advanced configuration yes, with maximum is 3, use prefill with 0 yes, beginning from 1st June. Why it is 1st June? Because our accounts beginning from 1st June 2020 yearly, and next year from 1st April 2021 it should from yearly. FA 2021, okay, 1st June, and location Mumbai, control it. Option allow narration yes. Okay, now I will book the accounting entry, accounting vouchers. I will select journal, and I will select journal for fixed asset. Just see here FA 2021, number is 1, Mumbai location, and question is how to book accounting entries and Tally. How to book accounting entries Tally. Okay, question is dry Phillips machine, WAPI, and cleaning Phillips machine WAPI, cleaning sorry, bill by mistake activated, it should not be activated. 25,000 debtors, sorry, debit in filling machines. 15,000, yeah, so activated, just deactivated. No, creator is ABC and company ABC, and the creators Maintain bill by bill, yes. Default credit period 45 days. Check credit days during voucher entry, yes, you can check. Specify credit limit maximum you want to do billing with party 1,50,000. Over credit limit using post dated transaction, yes, you can allow it. Generally you can keep it no. You cost center not applicable. Active interest calculation no. You have to update address, and please update the PAN and GST details is most important. 40,000 invoice, maybe. Okay, being purchase of fixed asset for Wapi location. Done. Done. uh, how to show presentation in tally. How to show presentation in trial balance of above entries in tally. Just go here, display trial balance. uh, Press F1, detail trial balance. Friends, just here sundry, below sundry creators, ledger is ABC company and ledgers is always in Italy. Just press here, shift enter, shift enter. Okay, your ledgers will be reflect on your scene. Okay, that is in Italy. Flips machinery in normal case, fixed asset in normal case, current liability in normal case. Okay, how to update trade limits and credit days in tally for sundry debtors and sundry creditors. Where it is available, account informations, ledgers, credit limits. You can set the credit limits for sundry debtors and sundry creditors. Okay, next option, how to activate cost category in tally. Friends, if you want to activate cost category, just press F11, accounting features, and here the cost center option is yes, and maintain more than one payroll or cost category, yes. Then only your cost center will be activated, otherwise it will not be activated. Okay, uh, how to activate cost category. And friends, in my previous question, previous YouTube lectures, I have already discussed with um the cost centers category and cost centers. Okay, same I am repeating again. The company is ABC and company, and display statement of accounts, cost centers. This is cost category. I have already discussed the accounting entry. If you want to see the accounting entry, just see here. This is accounting entry. Whenever you insert amount here, immediately tally will ask you, please allocate the amount in cost center wise. Okay, based on that you can allocate. Next one is uh, uh, cost center breakup. You can say the cost center breakup, ledger breakup, and group breakup. Okay, this option also available. And quit. How to create cost category in tally, I have already discussed in previous YouTube lecture. Just see how to activate, yes, already. How to create cost center in tally, how to update cost center in vouchers, cost center in voucher, just see here. You can update it. Okay, mobile expenses 2500, branch Rajapur, Bank of India. Okay, live example I have shared with you. Okay, clear. How to update cost center in voucher, how to display cost center reports, we have already seen cost center report also. Voucher type, how to create bank receipt vouchers. Okay, how to create bank receipt voucher, how to create bank receipt voucher. Account information in voucher type, create vouchers, bank receipt voucher, already created. Alter bank receipt voucher, yes, receipt, sorry, it's already come this company, MNCN company, MNCN company. account informations, voucher types, create bank receipt voucher, select receipt, numbering automatic, use advanced confidence, yes, with uh, of numerical part is 3, prefill with 0, yes, numbering start from firstly and 1st April 2021, again yearly, bank receipt 2021, and you can create Mumbai location. Okay, allow provide national for each entity. Done. Accounting vouchers, just select receipt. Here is bank receipt. Just see here, the number will reflect BR 2021 Mumbai, and sorry, number also and location also. Next question, how to create bank payment voucher? Friends, please do practice. It will help you to understand how bank payment voucher setup can be done. Okay, next question, how to book receipt voucher in Tally? Just you have to go accounting vouchers, receipt, bank receipt, and amount, suppose sale of uh, sale of scrap, and direct income, bank of bank also I will create bank of India, bank, you can give bank details, huh? It will benefit you whenever you want to share ledger with any parties. It will benefit you to share your bank details also, mailing details, GST compulsory. Friends, Tally will just pop up the message that you have to update, but Tally will allow you to save the data. Okay, 10,000 mean sale of the amount received for sale of scrap. Okay, whether different ledger can be used instead of cash and bank in Tally. Okay, this is my what happened. 1 minute, I will show again. Accounting voucher, I have selected receipt, bank receipt voucher. Just press page up. Page up will give you previous accounting voucher. Okay, suppose I will use here ABC and company. What happened? What is the question? Whether different ledger can be used instead of cash and bank in Tally? No. Friends, I have already informed you, whenever you use any receipt voucher, cash and bank account always should be debited. Okay, clear? Cash or bank account always should be debited. In the case of payment, cash or bank always credited. In the case of contra, only cash or bank account debited and cash or bank account credited. Okay, payment voucher. How to book payment voucher in Tally? Just press F5, and suppose you have to make the payment ABC and company 15,000 against the bill number. Bank of India, suppose you have to make the payment of 8,000 only against 8,000. Bank of India, in payment to ABC company against bill number. Okay, done. Whether Tally will accept negative cash payment interest? Just here. Okay, bank payment I will select, accounting voucher, and bank payment. Okay, payment voucher is selected, and here I want to create the ledger. uh, Mobile expenses, indirect cost center, yes. A bill is 250, and primary cost category is branch, and cost center is Mumbai. Branch and Mumbai and cash. Okay, just see here, red mark is there, that is a negative cash balance. Friends, tally will allow you to save the entry and give also message negative cash balance. Okay, being mobile expenses paid off mobile number. Okay, and entry will be saved. Means tally will allow you to save negative cash balance entries also. Okay, but just important that after saving of this entry, tally will automatically reflect this in your exceptional report, negative ledger. Okay, negative ledger, this amount will be directly reflect that in one ledger, negative balance in ledger. Okay, how to check negative cash balance in any date of financial years? Here, display exception reports, negative ledger. Okay, daily, if you want to check daily also. Clear? Quarterly, monthly also will show you. Okay, journal, how to create journal for fixed, I have already created. How to create journal for investment? Friends, please do practice so that it help you to understand the how to create journal for investment. Next one is how to book accounting entries tally for purchase of fixed asset. I have already discussed. And how to check the statistics in tally. Statistics in tally means how many entries are booked in tally. Display statement of accounts and statistics. Friends, this period is there 1st April to 1st June. If you insert the whole financial year period, you will see how many vouchers book in tally. Okay, so that it will benefit for auditor also. Okay, how to do audit planning. Clear? And it's also benefit to the management, that how many vouchers monthly book in tally, so that they do the planning of manpower. Okay. Purchase voucher. Okay, friends, I have already informed that if you want your purchase register, then cash purchase and credit purchase should be reflect. Okay, now first question, how to book cash purchase vouchers? Okay, accounting vouchers, just select purchase. Okay, as an invoice format. Okay, supplier invoice is 123, date for June, and supplier is what is the question? Want to book cash purchases. Okay, then you have to create your ledger, cash purchases, sundry creditors, and purchase of trading goods. Okay, being purchase of goods. Okay, if you book entry like this, then only it will be reflect your purchase register. Okay, and then you have to make the payment, that is cash purchases, amount is 2500, and cash, being payment of cash purchases. Now one more receipt entry I will book. is receipt entry, that is sale of scrap 10,000, so that negative cash balance will go. The sale of scrap. Okay. What is the next question? How to check purchase register? Okay. Display account books, and here it is your purchase register. Here cash purchase entry reflect. Yes. Next question: how to export purchase register in Excel? Purchase register. Okay. Here is the export command. Press export. Select no. Default language. Yes. Select default all languages. Excel spreadsheet. Yeah. Also other option is also given in PDF format, XML format, JPEG format, web browsing format. Okay. You have to select Excel. Export data location tally data. File name is this one. Sheet name is purchase register. Update existing file no. uh, why why these options reflect? Okay, whenever you every time export the file, and if the file name is daybook, then every time new Excel new sheet will be created. New sheet, not file. New sheet will be created. So it will better give file name different, so that you can understand. Okay, you are allowed to change the file name. Export, yes, and below details will be available. You can take the details. Okay, your purchase register will reflect on your screen. Next question is how to export. Okay, create purchase, how to book cash purchase vouchers, how to book how to credit us. Here is small mistake. How to book credit purchase voucher. Okay, credit purchase voucher. Credit purchase one. It should be in invoice format. 123 date ABC, new reference bill number you have to insert, and purchase of trading goods. Being purchase of trading goods. Okay. How to check purchase register? Just you have to go here, display account books, purchase register. Okay, this is your purchase register. How to export? Yes, we have already seen it. Cash sales. Friends, please do practice for cash sales. Uh, I have already informed in the previous lecture how to create cash sales. Okay, and how to create credit sales. It will benefit you to understand how to book the cash sales entry in Tally. Okay, next one is debit note and credit note. How to book debit note? Okay, how to book debit note? Debit note means purchase return. Accounting vouchers, debit note, debit note. Okay, you have to give the purchase return. That means you have to give purchase invoice number, ABC and Company, 2500 against reference, and purchase return being purchase return. Okay, how to check debit note register? Debit note display account books journal register. Here it is a debit note register. Clear? You can export the debit note register also. How to book credit note? Please, friends, please do practice how to book the credit note. Contra vouchers. Which type of ledgers allowed it to use in contra vouchers? Contra vouchers only cash and bank. Accounting vouchers, just see here, contra, bank or cash. Suppose 2500 and cash. Only two ledgers are allowed. Okay, no other ledgers is allowed. So question is, which type of ledger allowed it to use in contra vouchers? Cash or bank, either in debit, or cash or bank, either in credit. Okay, how to check contra register? How to check contra register? You have to give answer via comments. Okay, how to check the contra register. Okay, now we will go the reports display. How many reports are available? First is balance sheet, profit and loss, ratio and display. Four types of options are available, and in display there are further menus are available. Trial balance, no menu. Day book, no menu. Account books, these are the menus. Journal register, additional menus are there. Okay, statement of accounts, outstanding, further breakup is given. One by one we will go. That is balance sheet. You can see the balance sheet in the horizontal form. You can see balance sheet in vertical form also. Just press F12. Your balance sheet will reflect in this format. uh, if you want balance sheet in period wise, company wise, you can view. uh, if you want your profit and loss, just press here F10. Accounts report, bills payable report will be there. F10, bill receivable. F10, cash flow, cash center, cost center summary. Different type of reports is available in accounts reports. Okay, profit and loss. If you want vertical, just press F12 and insert details. Yes. If you want to see company wise, you can see company wise. This will vertical format will help you in the case of group company. Okay, group company, you can see overall group company profit and loss. This will benefit you. Next option is ratio analysis. Only for this is information purpose. Display trial balance, you can view trial balance. Press F12, the opening balance. Show transaction, yes, you can view your trial balance also. Okay, alt F1 detail, but I have already informed that italic is a final ledger. Just press shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. Okay, your trial balance will reflect on the screen. Next one is day book. It will help. Day book means voucher register. Account books, cash and bank books, ledger. Group summary available. Group vouchers also available. If you want to see the fixed asset, then group vouchers are also available. Sales register, purchase register already informed. Purchase register, journal register, debit note, credit note, and quit. Okay. Statement of accounts outstanding means you want to say receivables from your debtors. This will report will here age wise option is also available. Age wise you can see, just press 90 days, 180 days, 360 days. Okay, payables, Sunday creditors. If you want to say age wise will, okay, age wise report also available. Interest calculation, interest loan given and taken. For this option is useful. Interest payable also same. Cost center wise I already discussed with the tally audit. These features for auditors, it will so not, it's not for assistants, for so it's special features given by tally software for audit of any data from the tally software. Voucher types, masters, users. Okay, quit. Audit compliance, these are different type of options also given. Okay, and quit. Statistics, how many vouchers are booked in tally, and standard reports. GST will show here. Journal register, debit note, credit note. Okay, outstanding, we have already seen the receivables, payables, ledger, group, quit. Interest calculation, interest receivable, interest payable, ledger, group, quit. Okay, cost center, cost center reports, category, cost center breakup, ledger breakup, group breakup, quit. Tally audit, voucher types, master, users, quit, and audit compliance. Static reports, GST available, means where it is GST. Okay, and cash flow, fund flow, Yes, you can show cash flow, fund flow also available. You can see the fund flow, cash flow projection. You can also do cash flow projection also, and exception report. Receipts and payment also you can see how much cash received during the year and how much cash payment during the year, month, a day. All report will reflect. Okay. List of accounts. How many list of accounts available in Tally? Last one is exception reports. Friends, this is the most important for audit department. uh, Generally auditor will check the negative ledgers, negative batch, overdue receivables, overdue payables. Okay. Memorandum vouchers. Memorandum voucher means it's a temporary vouchers. It will not give effect in accounts. 1 meter. Memorandum vouchers, then is reversing journal, optional vouchers, cancel voucher, post dated vouchers, email IDs, and quit. Okay, so friends, please do practice. It will really benefit you to understand the Tally software. And my personal suggestion is, once you understand the master setup and transaction setup and report setup, it will benefit you. And please do independently practice in Tally and understand the different type of reports available in Tally. It will really benefit you ki, how much time will be saved whenever when your management demands any reports, and you can easily give that report to your management. Okay, so that's it for the today. If you like the above lectures, then please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.